Hello, Ms. Blevins, Algebra 1 class. I'm taking a look at your page 235, 2 through 6 even. This is pretty quick, but I see some people are missing this, so I'm putting it out there. That's why I didn't have it out there before. I thought, it would be pretty simple, but you were asked to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form with the given slope and y-intercept. So slope, y-intercept for 2 through 8. So remember, slope-intercept form is right here. And it's where y equals mx plus b. Now m, you might be asking, what is m? That's the slope. And b represents, that letter in this formula represents the y-intercept, or where it crosses the y-axis when you have a coordinate plane, okay? That's the y-intercept when we go to graph these. So if we have a slope of -2 and a y-intercept of 7, all we do is plug the slope in where the slope goes and the y-intercept where the y-intercept goes. Easy as that. You could see 4 through 8. 8's weird because there is no slope. So if there is no slope, if there's a 0 slope, 0 times x is 0, so you're just left with the y-intercept, so that is 8. The y equaling 8, that's if we went up here on this coordinate plane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it would be a no slope. It would be a flat horizontal line at where y equals 8 all the time. So that's what that line would look like, okay, if we, relate it to our graphing. For 9 through 14, but 10 through 14, because we're doing the even ones, we're to take these and get the y by itself on one side. That's slope-intercept form. So getting the y by itself on one side, I first subtract 12x from both sides. So I can't do, 16 minus 12x. I just rewrite it negative 12x plus 16, because that 16 is positive. And then I divide by 4, divide by 4, divide by 4 to get y by itself. These cancels out. That's why I did it. Negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. For number 12, you're given this equation. So I am going to subtract 6x from both sides, just to get rid of it on this side. I'm isolating that y. Divide by -3, divide everything by -3, that's both of these. So -6 divided by -3 is a positive 2, and -18 divided by a -3 is a positive 6. Okay, and hopefully you pause this as needed. 14, you're given this equation, and we have to put it into slope-intercept form, so I gotta get the y by itself, essentially. And, it has to look like that, y equals mx plus b. So whatever's with the x is right after the equal sign, and then that lone number is out here, whether it's minus, or like in this one it's minus, or, or addition, whatever, that's going to be out here. That will be the y-intercept. So I added 4x to both sides here, because it was a negative 4x. So the opposite of negative 4x is add a 4x. I add a 4x, so I have 4x minus 7, and then I'm going to divide by -10, divide by -10, divide by -10, everything. So here I have it divided by -10, I have this divided by -10, and I keep it in fraction form. -4 divided by 10, I can simplify, I can divide both the top and the bottom by 2, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. This could also be written this way, -0.4x minus 0.7. So it could be written like this as decimals too, in case you didn't want to write them as fractions. Looking at 16, we have this person wants to take strength training classes at the community center, and she has to pay a one-time enrollment fee of $25. So no matter what she does, she doesn't have to do anything, spend any time there, any visit. She's spending $25. So that would be the y-intercept, because no matter what, you know, she's starting up here at 25. She's paying 25. And then this would be, you know, the number of visits, the X, and it's going to get more and more and more expensive. She pays $45 for each class. So that would be 45 times each class, plus that 25 she originally paid. So this is your equation of that line in slope-intercept form. Y equals 45x plus 25. And I just wanted to show it to you graphically there. Hopefully that was helpful. If you need more help with this or don't understand this, I can iron it out for you. Please let me know. Thanks.